Hi, I'm smoothie enthusiast Damon, and this is my Amazon Prime smoothie series. So, in my other videos, I've been saying that I put 40 something things in my morning smoothies every day, and I didn't tell you the whole truth. There are 50 ingredients in this one product. So, I'm actually putting close to 100 or more than 100 items in my smoothie every day. I could read this to you. It would probably take a while because it's got a greens blend, spirulina. All these say organic before them, so I'm going to skip the word organic if that's all right, because everything should be organic. Spirulina, spinach leaf, barley grass, alfalfa leaf, wheatgrass, Chlorella dulce. That's a seaweed. Broccoli, parsley, kale. So it's nice to get a little salad in your greens mix in your smoothie in the morning before you even notice it. Sunflower lecithin to sort of like smooth everything. Apple, just says apple fruit, I'm not sure, maybe for flavor. Brown rice and organic inulin. This is like the fiber, like the prebiotic fiber. And then we got the beetroot, rose hips, acai fruit, green tea leaf, raspberry leaf, blueberry fruit, goji berry, bilberry, ginkgo, which is a 4-to-1 leaf extract, and then grapeseed 2-to-1 extract. And then, what do we got here? Echinacea root, licorice root, ginger root, astragalus root, ashwagandha root, Siberian eleuthero root, rhodiola root, reishi mushroom, maca root, schizandra berry, Asian ginseng root, nettle leaf, and then a probiotic blend with 6 items and an enzyme blend with 6 items. So, bam! All in one. This is the Naturelo Raw Greens whole food powder, and I get the bit. They have a smaller one, but don't even bother. Get the 60 serving. Check out the link below. It'll go straight to this. Very easy. Pick that up. Get 2, because you go through it pretty fast. If I just want like a snack, well, actually, I'll like put this in a salad dressing, put it on my salad, makes that nice. Or if I want a snack, or if I'm making like chia pudding or something, this has enough like fruit sugars and things that it'll make things kind of nice, and then I'll have like a very superfood packed treat, and then I won't be craving a sweet item. So that's a pretty magical, but certainly every day in the smoothie goes the raw greens. Bam! Alright, check out my other videos for more inspiration on what to put in your smoothie.